I like that second question a lot because it seems like it's going to prevent you from doing unnecessary work or, worse than that, undoing a sale that you may already have in the bag.
Let me give you an example that you might have ran into this because you're super successful in real estate. I've got a guy, I'll just say his name. I've got a guy I've been working with doing some coaching, Adam Olson. They're in Houston. One of Adam's biggest problems is people call in. He does all of this advertising and marketing. And of course, he's got all of these agents under him. What does everybody say? I want to work with Adam, right? I only want to work with Dan, right? I realize everybody wants to, but I also am a triathlete. I want to work with Dan. He's a stud. I'm a stud. I only want to work with Dan. Got it. What research have you done on us? Well, not a lot, but I just want to work with Dan. Hey, makes perfect sense. So how it works is Dan is basically sitting at the top. You're going to be working with him, but you're going to be working with Dan through me, right? Notice how different that answer sounds. One sounds pathetic, whiny, and desperate, and like you can get your way. If I just say, oh, well, I'm going to be your rep, and that's not how it works here, versus what research have you done on us, right? Hey, I need to get 4% on this deal. Right? Got it. Hey, makes perfect sense. What research have you done on us? Right? Which tees you up perfectly to be able to explain why you want the percentage that you want. If you just go into pushing, they're going to push back. So what research have you done on us? What research have you done on me? That it puts you in a perfect position to set yourself apart as the leading agent in that market.